Today we're going to start off making our sketch for our printmaking quilt square. So each kid is going to be making one square using printmaking, and then we'll hang them all together as a group to make one larger piece of artwork, kind of like a collaborative artwork. So before I do the printmaking step, I need to come up with my plan for my design. And there's a lot of different ways that you can start off your design. You could start off your design by choosing a shape and just creating a line that goes a vertical line with that shape. You could start off with a horizontal line using a shape. You could also start off with a diagonal line using a shape, and then you would just build more and more shapes out to fill out the rest of the artwork. I'm gonna show you on this sketch how to start off in the middle with one shape and then work your way around to create kind of like a circular pattern, right? So these other ways of starting off, you're gonna create lines, right, going out of different shapes, and that'll create a pattern. Or there's also a way to create a pattern using circles. So you get to decide which way you would like to do it. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take one of the shapes, and you just kind of can use your imagination about where that shape would fit, what would look good, how would you want to trace it. It's totally up to you. And then I would pick a shape, and then once you figure out what you want to do with it, you're just gonna trace all the way around that shape. And you're gonna wanna take your time on this step because we are gonna use this sketch paper to create another piece of artwork. So you're gonna have the printmaking that we do, and then we're also gonna turn our sketch into a piece of art. All right, I'm gonna speed up this next part so that you can kind of see the whole process, but like really fast, so you're not watching me for forever. So you're just gonna, while you're watching the fast part, I want you to pay attention to how I add new shapes into the holes that are created, right? So like this shape has created a hole or a space right here, and then the next thing I'm gonna have to do is figure out what shape would be a good fit for that space. So keep an eye out for me making those choices to fill in different spaces. If I choose to do the circle pattern, there's gonna get to be a point where the whole page is filled up with like the very last circle. Like I couldn't do another circle all the way around. Once you get to that point, you're just gonna look and pick a shape that you would like to put in the corner. And then you're gonna repeat that shape in all four corners. So I would trace it again here, and I would trace it again here, and I would trace it again here, and then I would be finished with my sketch.